Hello. Today I am explaining you the solution of your final practice questions. So we start from question number 1, and then one by one we will explain it to you. So the question 1 is, suppose a disk drive have 5000 cylinders numbered 024999. The drive currently serves a request at cylinder 2150, and the previous request was at cylinder 1805. The queue of pending requests in first input first output FIFO order is 2069 1212 2296 2800 544 1618 and 356 1523 and 4965 3681. For each disk scheduling algorithm, determine the order in which the pending requests will be serviced. Starting from the current head position, assume that for scan and C-scan, the read and write head is initially moving toward higher numbered cylinders. Also assume that head reverse at least pending request in that direction, not at the physical end of the disk. So we have three types: first FCFS, scan, C-scan, first come first serve. So in solution we start with first come first serve. So in that serial we see who comes first, served first, and our cylinder head in 2150 position. So from 2150 first came 2069, we put it there. Then 1212, we put them 1212 after that. Then 2296, we put 2296 after that. This way we keep going and we end up with 3681. 3681. So you see that so every time from 21250 cylinder moved to 2069, so total movement is 81. Here you see that this difference. Now from 2069 the cylinder head moved to 1212, so here the difference is the cylinder movement. Here you can see it. This way from 1212 the cylinder moved to 2296, so the movement is this difference. So this is how first come first serve. From every cylinder movement we take the difference and find the cylinder movement. So this way we keep going and we went to the cylinder movement to 3681, and from the difference we found the movement. So each time the cylinder head moves, so in its position moves these steps. So every step that moves each the number steps each time. So we add all them together and then we found 13,011. So in first come first serve total movement is 13,011 cylinders. Next when we go scan algorithm, so the direction of the cylinder head, it moves upward first, then it goes downward. So our primary cylinder location was 2150. So from 2150 the cylinder head moves to up, means 22,000 is greater than 2150, it moves one step up. Then again 2800, it's even higher, so it goes second step. Then a little bit way more is 3681, it's even higher, it goes this step, and at the end it goes to 4965 step. Okay, now the cylinder head goes down, so it goes like 2069. The next step below 2150. After that the smaller one is 1618, and after that the 1523, then 1212, 544, and the very end it goes to 356 step. So these are the steps. So we count the movement with the step differences. So at first it starts with 2150, goes to 2296, 2800, 3681. After that it goes to 4965. So at the very end it goes to the top limit, and now it starts going down. 2069, 1618, 1523, 1212, 544, 356. It stops. So here you see the cylinder from 2150, while going up it goes on the top, and while going down from top position it goes to 356. So just these two difference will bring the cylinder's total steps it took to cover all these sequences. Okay. So here we find 28494643. So total 7492. Now the total scan movement is 7492. Now we see the C scan type movement. In this movement, the disc cylinder head goes only the upward direction. Now how it can reach the lower numbers? So it goes all the way to the top, 4999. Then to count the below numbers, it goes to 0 again. Then it again starts climbing up, 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 up. So here you see it starts with 2150, goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up, and there is the end. So then it goes down to 0 again, and then again starts to going up. Go up, 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 up. This way it ends 2069. Now here it moves from 2150 to 499. This many steps first, and then from this to this it goes this many steps. Then after that, from 0 to 2069 it goes this many steps. So in total 9917 steps. So here you find in C scan 9917 steps. In scan the total movement is 7492, and in first come first serve the total movement is 13011. All right, so this is the solution of first problem.